Today we're going to take a brief tour of Universal's Endless Summer Resort, Surfside Inn & Suites. Endless Summer Resort is divided into two sections, the Dockside Inn & Suites and the smaller Surfside Inn & Suites. Both are part of the Value Inn & Suites category of Universal hotels. The lobby is open and spacious and really evokes those summer vibes. This hotel really offers an incredible value for families, with 390 of their 750 rooms being 2-bedroom family suites.
One big drawback to this resort is its distance to the main property, being located on the far side of International Drive. Dining options at this resort include Starbucks for your morning coffee and breakfast needs, Beach Break Cafe offering quick service breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and the Sandbar, where you can get all your adult beverages.
This resort also features a number of amenities, such as the surfboard-shaped main feature pool. Unfortunately though, pool hopping is not allowed from this resort. The arcade. And a nice thing that all Universal Orlando resorts offer, a fitness center. Off the main lobby, you'll find the Universal Studios store, where you can find all of your Universal Orlando merchandise. The resort offers complimentary bus transportation to Universal City Walk. From there, you'll be able to take a bus to Volcano Bay, or you can walk to the theme parks Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida. In the future, this resort may have its own transportation to Epic Universe directly from the hotel. The rooms at this resort are spacious and bright and really make you feel as if you're staying on the beach. Overall, Universal's Endless Summer Resort, Surfside Inn & Suites offers an incredible value for families. In addition to the hotel amenities, it also offers theme park benefits such as early park admission and complimentary package delivery to your resort. All of this makes Surfside Inn & Suites a great budget-friendly option for your next Universal Orlando vacation. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe.